What is JavaScript? What I'm about to explain here isn't all of JavaScript, as JavaScript is a very powerful client-side language, but we're just going to go over some of the basics here of what it can do and exactly how it works. So like I said, JavaScript is a client-side scripting language, meaning that it does not run on the server, so that any JavaScript that you run on your web pages will not slow down your server, but it could slow down the user's browser. JavaScript is not the same as Java, the computer programming language, but they are similar in many ways. But just because you know JavaScript doesn't mean you can just hop on into Java or vice versa. JavaScript is a scripting language, meaning it is rendered when the code is loaded, and as a shorthand name, JavaScript is often termed JS for JavaScript. So the JS syntax is similar to that of C programming language. JavaScript is the primary way that we make websites dynamic without using server-side languages. JavaScript is in fact case sensitive, so a capital A is not the same as a lowercase a. They are two very different things. And that's one thing you really have to be careful for when you're writing your JavaScript, because if you write too much JavaScript and then all of a sudden something doesn't work, that could be because you have one letter that's either capitalized or not capitalized, and it should be, and then you have to go through all your code and debug it. Some of the powers that JavaScript has are the ability to change the page styling instantly, so we could click a button and change a background color or the font size, etc. AJAX, which stands for asynchronous JavaScript and XML, or we just say AJAX, is part of JavaScript. We'll cover AJAX after we do JavaScript. It's very popular in hiding and showing elements, so when you click something and all of a sudden more content shows up, that's always used with JavaScript. JavaScript can take in user input, it can do math, it can tell you the date and time, and it can do more than that. But those are just some of the examples of what JavaScript can do. Let's move on and find out how we can write some JavaScript.